Hello everyone, welcome back to Markets Last Week. Today is 22nd August 2023. This week we are changing the format a little bit. First we'll discuss the key points that affected the market this week and then we'll move on to the charts. So the basic news this week was the biggest news of them all was the Jio Financial Services got listed in the stock market. We'll get a little more detail into that. The second news that came out this week was that Bhel got an order of 4,000 crore, which shot up the prices of the Bhel stock to over 110. It gained 110% in a single day of trading in the stock market. The market mood at the moment seems to be in a zone of extreme fear. And this week, Nifty closed below the previous month's low, so it could be kind of triggering a little bad news in the market. Now, Jio Financial Services got listed in the stock market on 21st of August. Since getting listed, it has been mostly in a downward spiral. It has been raining lower circuits on it post launching. Jio Services lost 26,000 crore of capital after listing. The last session of the Friday, if you look in the charts, you will see there was some buying strength back in the stock, and they were just in the last half an hour. So, will that sustain is yet to be seen, but most probably it was just some bulk deal going through. Bhel surged 10% on Tuesday on news of an order. The government-owned company received an order from Mahan Energen Limited. Now, Mahan Energen Limited was formerly known as SR Power MP Limited, and it is a fully owned subsidiary of Adani Power Limited. Though Bhel surged on Tuesday, but and reached very close to 113, but by the end of the week, it was trading somewhere around 105. So the downward spiral that we saw in the market affected even Bhel, and this news couldn't help it. Now, the market mood index at the moment seems to be in a zone of extreme fear. Technically, this is said to be a good time to buy, but right now things do not look really good. We just broke the last month's low, and the last support zones are also broken, which we'll discuss after this right now. This is what currently the Nifty chart looks like. We have been thinking that this bullish flag is going to break, and then there is going to be a very strong bullish trend. And this week we saw this breaking, and I was very confident that we are going to sustain it and maybe break this previous high and touch 20K in the next couple of weeks. But then things changed over the towards the end of the last week, and we saw a downward move again. Friday was it started on Thursday, and I think Friday was kind of just a follow up on that. Friday, if you look, it looks flattish, but the downward strength was still there. There was hardly any attempt to move up. This is an hourly chart that we are looking at, and this bullish flag it broke, and then it is now breaking towards the bottom. So if this breaks next week, I think is going to be very important in deciding where the market is going to move towards. Right now, it looks very undecisive because there was a sudden jump towards the top and then it didn't sustain. And now, though we are breaking down, but we have still not broken down very confidently. So that support that was playing around in zones like this and this could come back in play, and we could get a nice support here and move up. But there could be a breakdown also, and if there is a breakdown, if we break down from here, I do not see any kind of a support, technical support as per se, till around 18,600. So we have to wait and watch and see how it plays out from here. Right now we are at a point that it is very difficult to say anything at all, so we'll just have to wait and watch. And next week, when I come back with this, hopefully we'll have more of an idea of where the market could be heading towards. That will be all this week from me. Thank you. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next week. Bye bye.